Uptime platform, Uptime FMECA risk assessment. In this video, we will look closer at Uptime FMECA, which is a component of Uptime platform, mainly responsible for risk assessment based on data-driven FMECA. Failure modes, effects, and criticality analysis, FMECA, is a data-driven approach to risk assessment that is used to assess failure impacts. Uptime FMECA defines and estimates the probability of each failure mode that can occur in a system and provides an evaluation of its consequences in order to reduce the consequences of critical failures. In this video, we will learn about the implementation of FMECA in the cold rolling use case of Malis, which are conducted in three main steps. First, carrying out FMECA workshop with Uptime experts to identify failure modes, that is, how something can break down or fail. To analyze the causes of the failures. To estimate the failure occurrence probability. To analyze their impacts on the whole production system and the total costs. Second step, identifying physical actions associated to most critical components, for instance, installation of new sensors in the milling station. Third step, modeling relation between physical actions and failure rate. The results from the FMECA workshop is then integrated in the Uptime platform as an input to the system definition. As you can see here, these are the types of equipment, for instance, working roller and backup roller. We take an example of upper working roller. In the asset list, you can find the identified failure modes for each equipment, for instance, upper working roller, breakdown, the failure effects, partial coil loss, the reactive actions, rework the coil, the failure causes, pre-existing defects, the proactive actions, visual inspection for small defects. According to these inputs, overall risk assessment is generated. Here you can see a typical FMECA risk matrix. This graph indicates a rank of different failure effects, from negligible to severe. As an experimental feature, here you can see the failure mode surface damage is indicated to have significant to severe failure effects. According to this indication, the maintenance operator can decide to take some actions such as monitoring the failure rate recorded by the installed sensor, assessing recommendation on proactive actions generated by Uptime Decide, or taking reactive actions